My name is David Jaffe. Welcome to the Wealth and Health Podcast, where you'll learn valuable skills and positive habits that will improve your life. This podcast originally aired as a video on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/BestStockStrategy. The Wealth and Health Podcast is brought to you by BestStockStrategy.com. Why I think it's a waste of time to read the news and follow the news and educate yourself about specific underlyings. Now, I know that this video is going to seem a little bit crazy, especially with the title that I just gave you, because a lot of people are going to think, oh, so does David just expect me to invest blindly in any security? But the fact is that when you are investing in large cap companies that are highly liquid, like Amazon or Tesla or Facebook or JP Morgan or Microsoft, virtually all of the news is already priced into that specific stock. So whereas it might make you feel better to go on seekingalpha.com and read a lot of news articles and educate yourself, because by doing that, you feel like you're putting in the work and that you deserve to make money in that stock. Because not only might you be wasting your time, but you might actually be jeopardizing your profits by reading disparate information that is going to conflict with your overall thesis. There have been many times where I would read an inflammatory article where I would get concerned about one of my investments, and then I would end up selling and closing the security, only to see the security appreciate in value and lose money. The fact is that many of these sites and many of these articles are monetized by the click-through rate. It's very similar to how YouTube operates. As a result, people are going to come out with crazy takes and crazy titles in order to get you to click on their article because they are financially incentivized to do that. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that the information that you read is good. Yes, the information might be entertaining, but for many of these large cap companies, especially when they have institutional ownership, there is nothing that you're going to read on seekingalpha.com or Yahoo Finance that is going to help you make a better investment decision. If it makes you feel better, then by all means, read seekingalpha.com, go on Yahoo Finance and read articles about your investment. But as long as you're investing in large cap companies, which I would define as a company with a market cap of over 75 or $100 billion, then I do not believe you're going to derive any benefit from consuming media, whether it be on YouTube or on seekingalpha.com or on Yahoo Finance or on CNBC about the underlying that you are invested in. So what can you do with this time? Spend it with your family. Go rafting, go hiking in nature, go to the beach. You can do a lot of things. Go to the gym, go to the sauna. Just do anything else besides wasting time trying to validate that you deserve to make money in a specific stock. There are so many underlying factors that influence a stock price that by you reading news on a stock, I believe that not only are you wasting your time, but you might actually be jeopardizing your future prospects because all of the news that is in the public domain is already reflected in the current stock price. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. Please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on whether you believe it is beneficial or detrimental to read and watch the news about specific stocks. Visit BestStockStrategy.com and submit your email address to receive valuable free training. Please give this podcast a positive rating and review. If you have any questions, visit BestStockStrategy.com and send me a message.